Good morning, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. So far we learnt how to add, subtract, multiply and divide on integers. In this session, we'll review the rules what we learnt for operations with integers. Let's get started the session. Today we are going to see the exercise number 1.6. Before we could start the class, let's see the rules of sign in multiplication. Plus into plus, which is equal to plus, minus into minus, which is equal to plus, plus into minus, which is equal to minus, minus into plus, which is equal to minus. Which means the numbers having the same sign gives positive answer and the numbers having the alternative signs gives negative result. Let's start exercise number 1.6. First question. What should be added with minus 1 to get 10? To find that answer, let us take the unknown number as x. Therefore, by the given statement, x plus minus 1 is equal to 10. Add 1 on both sides to cancel minus 1 in left side. X plus minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1. By cancelling minus 1 plus 1, we get x is equal to 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. Which is the required answer. That is 11 should be added with minus 1 to get plus 10. Next, question number 2. Minus 70 plus 20 is equal to dash minus 10. Let's take the question as it is. Minus 70 plus 20 is equal to dash minus 10. To get the answer, let us take the unknown number as x as usual. So the given statement becomes minus 70 plus 20 is equal to x minus 10. Since we are taking the unknown number as x. Now add by 10 on both sides to cancel minus 10 in right side. So minus 70 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to x minus 10 plus 10. Cancelling minus 10 plus 10, we get x as remaining. And by adding 20 with 10, we get 30. So minus 70 plus 30 is equal to x. And we can see that there is negative sign for 70 and a positive sign for 30, which means subtraction. Subtracting 30 from 70, we get 40. Negative sign for the greater number, so we put negative and the answer is 40. So we get x is equal to minus 40 as the answer. Hence the required unknown number is x is equal to minus 40. Next, third question. Subtract 94,860 from minus 86,945, which can be written as minus 86,945 minus 94,860. Here we can see that Both the numbers are having the same sign as negative, so we can add the numbers and put minus in front of that answer. Come, let's add the numbers. 86,945, 94,860. Adding 5 with 0 we get 5, adding 4 with 6 we get 10, remaining 1. Adding 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, carry 1, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, carry 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Put the negative sign here also, and by adding these two numbers we get the answer as 1,81,805. Hence the required answer is minus 1,81,805. Let's see the next question. Find the value of minus 25 plus 60 plus minus 95 plus minus 385. We are going to group the numbers having negative signs. Minus 25, minus 95 and minus 385 should be written together. Here we can see that all the numbers are having minus signs, so take it out. Minus of 25 plus 95 plus 385. Adding all these three numbers we get 505. Put minus sign here, and the answer for all these three 505. Finally plus 60. These two numbers are having different signs, so we have to subtract the numbers. Subtract 60 from 505, we get 445. Put the sign of greater number, so minus 445. Hence minus 25 plus 60 plus minus 95 plus minus 385 is equal to minus 445, which is the required answer. Let's see the next question, number 5. Find the sum of minus 9,999, minus 2,001 and minus 5,999. Sum of is nothing but addition, so we have to add all the three given numbers together. Here we can see that the numbers are having the same negative sign, so we can take it out. Put the negative sign outside the box and write the numbers inside the box as addition. Adding all the three numbers, we get 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, carry 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, carry 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, carry 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. As usual, put the negative sign, and the answer for all these three numbers 17,999. Hence the required answer is minus 17,999. Let's see question number 6. Find the product of minus 30 into minus 70 into 15. To find the answer, write given statement as it is. Minus 30 into minus 70 into 15. As I said earlier, minus into minus we get plus number. Multiplying 30 with 70 we get 2100. Therefore 2100 into 15. And also we should multiply 2100 with 15. To make it easier, we are going to multiply 15 with the 21 first. 115 is 15. Put 0 in one's place. 2 15s are 30. So we get 315. We are having 2 zeros at the end of this number, 2100. So put 2 zeros. And by multiplying 21 by 15 we get 315. So the final answer is 31,500. Let's see next question number 7. Divide minus 72 by 8. Which is a simple division of two numbers having alternative signs. Minus 72 by 8. Dividing a negative number by a positive number we get minus result. So minus of 72 divided by 8. Here we are going to divide 72 by 8. 9 8s are 72. So the quotient is 9. Answer is minus 9. Hence minus 72 divided by 8 is equal to minus 9 is the required answer. Let's see question number 9. Check the following for equality. 11 plus 7 plus 10 and 11 plus 7 plus 10. First, write the question as it is. Within the box 11 plus 7 plus 10 and 11 plus within the box 7 plus 10. Let's consider this as left hand side and this as right hand side. Let's take left hand side first. 11 plus 7 within the box plus 10. Adding 11 plus 7 is 18 plus 10, which is equal to 28. Therefore left hand side is equal to 28. Similarly, in right hand side, 11 plus within the box 7 plus 10, 11 plus adding 7 plus 10 17, which is equal to 28. Right hand side also 28. Left hand side also 28. Comparing equations 1 and 2, both the numbers are equal. So we can say that the given terms 11 plus 7 plus 10 is equal to 11 plus 7 plus 10. Let's see question number 9. Third subdivision. Find the value of minus 6 minus of plus 8 into minus 4 and minus 6 minus of 8 into minus 4. First, let's take the left hand side. Within the bracket minus 6 minus of plus 8 into minus 4. Within the bracket minus 6, we see that minus into plus is minus into minus 4. Minus 6 minus 8 into minus 4. Both the numbers are having same sign, negative sign. Take it out and write it as 6 plus 8. Adding 6 plus 8 we get 14. Therefore minus of 14 into minus 4. By multiplying minus into minus we get plus, and 14 into 4 is 56. So the answer is plus 56. Keep it as equation number 1. Now let's see right hand side. Minus 6 minus of 8 into minus 4. Minus 6 minus of multiplying 8 into minus 4 we get minus 32. Minus 6 minus into minus plus 32. Minus 6 plus 32. Both are having alternative signs. Therefore subtraction can be written as 32 minus 6. Subtracting 6 from 32 we get 26. Therefore right hand side is equal to 26. Comparing 1 and 2, both the numbers are different. So the given terms are not equal. Now this is the time for taking down the assignment problem. Take down and do the homework without making any mistakes. Okay students, I hope you all understood very well. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Take care.